Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to convert a PowerPoint into Nearpod using Google Slides. So the first thing I'm going to go to is Google Slides. And I have a Google account. And I'm going to press the plus button. And now I want to import slides. I'm going to click upload and select a PowerPoint that already exists that I've used in the past. Like this one. Select all, import slides. I'm going to delete this one. Now the fonts don't really fit, so I'm going to have to go in at a different time and make sure they fit in the Google Slides. Now at this point I do want to make this collaborative at some points in this routine. So I'm going to go to that space where I want it to be collaborative, like at this spot, and I click add-ons, and you will have to get add-ons the first time to get Nearpod onto your Google Slides and install it, and you can see I've already done that. But once you've done that, it'll be there. So you click add-ons, Nearpod, open Nearpod. And you'll log in with your teacher account, which I've already done, by clicking the Office 365. And once you've done that, it has a bunch of these features that you can make your PowerPoint interactive. So for example, I would want a open-ended question here. And so, what are some quantities that you see? And save it. And you can add any sort of interactive element to your PowerPoint. After you're done, I'm going to name this. So after you're done, make sure we're in that add-on Nearpod. You're going to save it and go to Nearpod. It just takes a minute to upload it. You can create folders in Nearpod to keep your lessons organized. I want this one up here. And then once it's uploaded, you can click Student Paste, make it asynchronous, or Live Participation to make it synchronous. Once you click that, a code pops up for students to enter if they go to join.nearpod.com, or you can click link and send this link into the chat. Once students have joined, you see their names here, and then if you click this, it will automatically click on their screen. And then once we get to the collaborative page, they will see the question and they can type in the answers, and you will see what they're typing. And you can hide student names. There's a lot of features on here. And that's how you convert a PowerPoint to Google Slides to a Nearpod.